Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Heusom Silent Groom Pro, a pet nail trimmer that promises quiet, stress-free grooming for your furry friends. But is it a game changer or just clever marketing? Quick disclaimer, this video is based on public research, reviews, and personal opinion. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with Heusom. According to the official website, the Silent Groom Pro is designed for quiet, easy grooming, especially for anxious pets. It claims to be ergonomic, low noise, rechargeable, and stress reducing. Sounds ideal, right? Well, the internet has mixed feelings. Some customers love it. One 5-star reviewer said, "Cutting my dog's nails used to be a nightmare. This tool is quite easy to use, and now it's a treat time routine. A miracle product I'll stand by forever." Another added, "We use it on our terrier. Super quiet, easy to handle. Even the kids helped out with grooming now." But not everyone's impressed. One customer wrote, "Awful and very loud. Didn't work at all. Had to send a video to get a replacement and still had to pay return shipping." Another reviewer said, "They say it's silent, but it rattles and make more noise than our old trimmer. When I asked for a refund, I was told only replacements are allowed, and I had to cover shipping. Total scam." On Reddit, pet owners agree that no clipper is truly silent. They all make some noise, and training your pet to tolerate it is more important than chasing silence. So, is the Silent Groom Pro a scam? Not exactly. It does work for some people and pets, especially those who are already comfortable with grooming. But for others, the noise, customer service, and return policy are major red flags. If you buy it, manage your expectations and know that it may not be the miracle it claims to be. Thank you for watching. If you've tried the Heusom Silent Groom Pro, drop your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.